Hello everyone, welcome to Inspired. So in this video I will explain interjection and types of interjection. So learning interjection can be fun and engaging because they are highly expressive and easy to relate. So interjection add color and emotion to both spoken and written language. Even though they are tiny and straightforward, they have big influence on communication, particularly in casual situation. So, gaining an understanding of interjection improves both your writing and conversational abilities by enhancing the vividness and authenticity of your statement. So, let's understand more about interjection and types of interjection. So, interjections are commonly used in everyday speech and writing to convey emotions such as surprise, excitement, anger, disgust, or happiness. So, interjections are one of the 8 parts of speech. They are unique in that they are expression of quick emotion or statement expressed through words, okay, words or phrases, and these can stand alone without forming a full sentence and are frequently exclamatory. Okay, so we use interjection to convey our emotions and feelings like surprise, excitement, anger, etc. Okay, so let's understand interjection types of interjections. So interjections are classified based on the types of emotions they express. So first one is interjections of surprise. These interjections express sudden surprise or shock. So interjections of surprise, these express a sudden sense of shock or surprise. Example: wow, that was an amazing performance. Oh, I didn't see you there. So in these statements, wow and oh, they express sudden surprise. Okay. Next one is interjection of joy. These interjections used to express happiness, excitement, or delight. Examples: yay, we won the match. Hooray, we are going on a vacation. So interjections of joy. So these interjections, they are used to convey joy, happiness, or enthusiasm. Okay. So examples are yay and hooray. So these interjections are used to express happiness. Okay. Next one is interjections of pain or sorrow. So these convey feelings of sorrow, anguish, or agony. Examples: ouch, that hurt a lot. Alas, the hero has fallen. So interjections of pain. So these interjections express emotions of pain, sadness, or grief. Okay, like examples: ouch and alas. Next one is interjections of anger or frustration. So these interjections are useful for expressing feelings of anger, frustration, or annoyance. So, when you feel angry, frustrated, or irritated, so these interjections, they come to express those feelings. Okay, examples: arg, I warned you not to do that. Hey, that was rude. Some other examples of interjections of anger or frustration are damn it, or for heaven's sake. Okay, now let's see interjections of disgust. So these convey emotions of repulsion or distaste. So interjections of disgust express repulsive, that is rejection or distaste feeling. Example: ew, that's what's that? Yuck, it's spinach again. Next one is interjections for greetings. So these interjections are used to greet, welcome someone, or bid them farewell. So interjections of greeting, they are used to greet someone or to say goodbye. Bid them farewell, to say goodbye. Example: hello, how are you, Mary? Or goodbye, see you next week. Here in both these examples, hello and goodbye express the greetings and says goodbye. Okay, and the next one is interjections of agreement or approval. So these express agreement, approval, or affirmation of something. So interjections of agreement or approval, so they specifically state that they agree with, approve of, or confirm something. Okay, so example, yes, that's exactly what I meant. Well done, you sang really well. Brilliant, your article is so. So here in these sentences, yes, well done and brilliant, they are expressing agreement. Next one is interjection of doubt or hesitate. So these interjections are used to express hesitation, uncertainty, or doubt. So these interjections are used to convey uncertainty, hesitate, or doubt, hesitation or doubt. Examples: I think, I think she wants to speak something. I'm not sure what happened there. Here, and expresses hesitation or hesitation and doubt. That's it, guys. With this we completed all parts of speech. So hope you all understood. So if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.